So I woke up this morning and I was like, what am I going to do? Well, I say this morning, I woke up at like 1 in the afternoon, but let's not go there. I thought, screw it, let's start doing these. So I've already spent a while playing around with one of them, trying to put it on the car, and man, that was difficult. I'll show that clip now. This is what I've been playing around with recently. The fog lights, and this is probably what it's going to look like once it's installed. Obviously I haven't connected any wiring up yet, but we have the light installed there on a bolt which I found on there. So simply the bracket's just bolted onto the bumper of the car. Don't know if you can see that in there. We've got poor light, which then the light screws into the bracket. So yeah, basically it was difficult to get one of them in because difficult to get the other one in as well. I only played around with one. To get the bracket in, I tried to use a bolt that was already there, and it's like, oh my god, because it wanted to go in at an angle that was impossible to get with the bracket over it and the washer. So yeah, so I'll have fun putting both these back on again now. But yeah, I suddenly remembered, oh, I haven't actually put the LEDs in because I forgot that what I was going to do was drill 2 holes and put 2 LEDs in them. Obviously I'll do it at the bottom because it'll be less likely of water going in the top and actually seeping in if they're at the bottom. And yeah, whether I use amber LEDs or warm white, I'm not sure. So the idea of the LEDs is I'm going to have them as DRL lights, so they'll be like my day running lights. And then when I switch on the full, obviously the fog lights, they'll work as fog lights as well. Whether I switch the LEDs off or not, I don't know. My main worry is how hot these get, because these do get pretty damn hot, and they'll be right next to plastic and LEDs and wires. Oh well. So for starters, it's drilling time, so I need to get the top and not drill in the top. So they're the 2 points I'm drilling into. Yeah, I don't have metal drill bits, so time to abuse some more drill bits again. Both of these are 5mm, which is a nice thing. Let's not put 12 volts through that, thank you. Of course, I've got to work out, I've got to put a resistor on these as well, so I need to make sure I don't forget that and just put the LEDs directly across 12 volts, because they'll just go pop and they'll never be seen again. This is the warm white, I think. Yep, that's the warm white LED. Let's put that up to about 3 volts. I think these run about 3.2. So I mean, it's hard to tell really, isn't it? That was kind of cool. To be honest, I don't think I can go wrong with either LED. Let's try the yellow. Wrong way. Or I just exploded it. What have I done? Did I just explode it? What have I done? I know what I did. I exploded it because these are meant to be on 2 volts, aren't they? Whoops. My bad. So let's try this again on 2 volts this time. Don't know if you saw it explode, but I didn't. That's better. So let's try 2.2. I want full brightness out of these. Oh! Well, the packet said 2.2. I've now made a red LED. Well, you can't have 2.2 apparently. It's 2 volts. So that's 2 volts. You can barely see it against this light. These are really dim. I'll probably go for the other ones because these are so dim. Yeah, that's pathetic actually. Right, warm white it is. 5mm drill bit, not for metal, so hopefully we don't break it because I've only got one 5mm. Don't think it matters too much where I do this really. So I just do it in a point that looks suitable. Yeah, this is where we realise why a metal drill bit would be better. What I might do... I think I'll just fan a 5mm bit that would work. Let's try this instead. Let's try this bit. Well, this one's wobbly as hell. Bloody hell, look at that. That's just dodgy, Jesus. That's not good. Might just have to cut to this point because this is taking forever.
Eventually.
That hole looks bigger than the rest. Oh, great. It is bigger than the rest. The LED falls right through. For God's sake, why? I need to invest in some decent drill bits. But anyway, that's beside the point. Let's put the LEDs in there, solder them up, which will be fun. It'll be interesting to decide how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to plaster a load of silicone on. Oh. This won't look the best, but the idea is because it's going to be under the car, I need to protect it from water and dirt and what have you. So to be honest, I'm not too fussed. It will look stupid because I won't be able to see it. And sadly my camera decided to die. The battery ran out. How annoying. But yeah, basically I soldered the negatives together and then the positives together with the resistor on that, so I wired in parallel, then just coated them in massive amounts of silicone to basically protect it from rain, dirt and whatever, because they're going to be underneath the car anyway. So yeah, I'm going to leave the video here as it ended. Yeah, a little bit of a spoiler of the next video coming up. So basically the next video I'm going to be wiring them up and I will be doing the wiring diagram. And yeah, next video is it was quite a difficult one, trying to do all the wiring for that. So yeah, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't done so already to see the future videos coming out, which will be very soon hopefully. And I'll see you guys in another video, and be sure to like if you did like. Thank you.